Hi Librans, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for October 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to dive into these oracle decks that I have here. Librans, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank you for being a part of this journey. Let's just dive into your reading, Librans. Towards the final days of September, stepping into October 2021, we have the Ten of Pentacles. Certainly, you had made some gains. This is a material vibration, so you were also promoting yourself. I think you had also benefited on account of recommendation from your clients. However, in personal relationships, you were losing your cool time and again, or you were quite temperamental. Obstacles to overcome this month with challenges that October is going to pose for you is the Empress card. I think estranged people who are going to re-enter your life this month, or you're somebody who is going to form new friendships. Perhaps it could be a work offer for a side hustle or a side business. Maybe you should negotiate, but then you may not be too pleased with the pay on offer. Influences for this month for Librans, we have the Six of Cups. I think you will be quite nostalgic in this month. Maybe you're also going to network a bit because gains through friends and acquaintances is quite likely. For some Librans, I'm also picking up that there could be a rift in a relationship. Maybe permanent damage has been done. That is why it is imperative for you to thrash the issues rather than let them boil over or it becomes awkward. The first 10 days of October for Librans, we have the Ace of Swords. The energy is quite forceful and you are going to be somebody who wants to take the initiative. You will take the bull by the horns or you will get down to business. I think there will be changes in your schedule. Maybe time is also at a premium. That is why you need to have a very flexible mindset. Nonetheless, I think Librans, you are being asked to make the most of the heightened energy that you have. Maybe you should tap into that reservoir of energy and cut through these obstacles. Largely, I think you are going to be up and about. Your quick thinking will also help you make gains. I think deals are also going to be finalized and you are going to be paid pronto. It's also advisable, Librans, that you need to keep a cool head as annoyance could have a bearing on your health. Incidentally, the next 10 days of October, we have the Nine of Swords. You need to de-stress a bit because you see this lady here, she seems to be on the ground. She doesn't know how to move about. Maybe you are going to be overburdened on account of responsibilities. I think colleagues may be absent or staff may be unavailable. That is why you have to take up the initiative or you have to take responsibility. Basically, you have to step in because others are not around. That means that there's excess work and this could lead to stress. It's not going to be smooth sailing, but you can expect some respite. Perhaps, Librans, you should maintain your poise and not let annoyance get the better of you. Despite the responsibilities, you're somebody who's going to make quick progress. In case you're looking for job opportunities, there'll be those offers, but then maybe you're not going to be too excited because the pay on offer is not up to your expectations. While dealing with clients and customers also, or in case you're making a purchase, I think you will feel that it is necessary for you to deal directly rather than do through a middleman or through a junior because you believe that this person is out to make a quick buck. Maybe you think that this person is unethical. Librans, you should also be careful because knives are being sharpened behind your back. Your rivals could try and malign you this month. The final days of October, that is towards 21st to 31st October, we have the Two of Wands. Oftentimes, you could be having discussions about what you should do in life or how you should proceed. Maybe you want clarity. Maybe there'll be discussions with your mother. I think you are also concerned because payment is not up to the mark, or maybe even if you are employed, you want pay up to your expectations. Money is something which certainly motivates you. At the end of the day, it is something which helps you or allows you to put bread on the table. It gives you that incentive or the motivation to keep going on. Perhaps some Librans will also want to quit or you want to put in your papers, but I think you need to carry on because we also have the Three of Cups which came up in your reading. Certainly in the final days, There'll be gains through your friends and acquaintances. In fact, throughout this month, there'll be those gains through your contacts. You should promote yourself. Maybe on the social media as well, you need to network or you need to polish your skills. Surprises are definitely on the cards and you will negotiate and have your way. With respect to your love life, Librans, I have this card, bound. Possibly, you may be in a connection which feels restricted. I think there's also sexual tension or there's sexual chemistry in this relationship. In case you're single, I think there are going to be suitors and admirers. Maybe the light-hearted energy which is there, which makes you quite attractive to the opposite sex. In fact, we also have the Empress card, so certainly your magnetism is going to be sky high this month. Librans, I think you could be forced to communicate or you could be under pressure to communicate with someone who has stirred feelings in your heart. Possibly it's going to be a reconnection of sorts, or this is also a past life issue that you're dealing with, because we do have the Six of Cups in your reading. Someone from your past is definitely re-entering, or perhaps you're making that effort to reach out to this person. Maybe you're not going to acknowledge your feelings, but then a reconnection is formed with this person. Another thing, Librans, maybe some of you may feel that you're going to face rejection or you have those fears, because we do have the Nine of Swords in your reading. This lady, she seems to be stressed out on account of a relationship, or she's in distress. Perhaps, Librans, you're also going to reject some suitors this month. In case you're romancing, we also have this card, Flame Eternity, which talks about love which is going to go the distance, or it is going to stand the test of time. Nevertheless, I think, Librans, there are going to be those obstacles in your love life. Maybe you should show more love and affection. Perhaps you should not snub this person. Maybe, Librans, you should show more love and affection. Sometimes, we could say something which is unpalatable. You could touch a raw nerve by discussing this person's past. That is why he could be standoffish, or that is why he could go quiet. Ideally, I think you should have free-flowing conversations with your person. Those of you who are married, I think you should avoid temperamental behavior. Disagreements are also quite likely. Maybe there will be issues revolving children. They desire financial independence. Librans, you should also be careful of your health or even your spouse's health this month. Incidentally, Archangel Raphael is also asking you to stretch your limbs, your body. Maybe you need to go outdoors. Perhaps yoga or meditation, pilates could also benefit you. Mentally also, you need to stretch yourself. You should move beyond your comfort zone. You could also be a yoga instructor, or you could be a sports enthusiast. Largely, Librans, I think you need to go outdoors this month. It will help you de-stress. It would help you get over the mental demons that you're going to battle this month. I hope, Librans, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.